Lists in C# are dynamically sized, strongly typed, and compact with useful methods, making them the go-to choice for most scenarios in development. If you want to organize data in lists, you can sort and reverse them using built-in methods. Plus, lists integrate seamlessly with LINQ, giving you powerful querying with where, select, and order by methods for filtering, transforming, and ordering your data. Performance-wise, we measure efficiency using Big O notation, which describes how the execution time grows as the data grows. Adding items at the end is O1, meaning constant time regardless of the list size. Inserting in the middle or searching takes ON time, meaning it scales in a linear way with a number of items. Under the hood, lists use arrays that automatically resize when you exceed the capacity. Use addRange to add multiple items at once and for each for simple iterations.